Welcome to Healthcare Channel. Please subscribe and share this video to help others in this way. Embarking on a liver cleansing journey? Fantastic! Here are the top 7 foods that can give your liver the love it deserves. Number 1. Leafy greens. Let's start with the verdant wonders of the vegetable kingdom, leafy greens. Kale, spinach, and arugula are not just Instagram-worthy, they're rich in chlorophyll, a natural detoxifier. Chlorophyll helps neutralize toxins and promotes the elimination of waste products from the liver. Aim for a colorful salad or a nutrient-packed green smoothie to make these leafy greens a regular part of your diet. Number 2. Cruciferous crusaders. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts are the liver's loyal allies. Packed with compounds like glucosinolates, these veggies boost the production of detoxification enzymes in the liver. Sulforaphane, a superhero compound found in cruciferous vegetables, supports the liver in breaking down and eliminating toxins. So, make room on your plate for these powerful protectors. Number 3. Turmeric triumph. Spice up your life and your liver with turmeric. The active compound in turmeric, curcumin, is a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. It not only aids in detoxification but also stimulates bile production, essential for the digestion and elimination of toxins. Incorporate turmeric into your cooking or enjoy a warm cup of turmeric tea to give your liver a golden boost. Number 4. Garlic guardian. Known for its flavor-enhancing prowess, garlic is more than just a kitchen staple. It contains allicin and selenium, compounds that support liver cleansing and protect against oxidative damage. Chop, crush, or mince garlic into your meals to infuse them with both flavor and liver-loving benefits. Number 5. Citrus celebration. When life gives you lemons, celebrate your liver. Citrus fruits like lemons, oranges, and grapefruits are rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that stimulates the production of liver detoxification enzymes. Start your day with a refreshing glass of lemon water or incorporate citrus fruits into your snacks to give your liver a zesty boost. Number 6. Beetroot bliss. The vibrant hue of beetroots is not just visually appealing, it's a sign of their liver cleansing abilities. Beets contain betalains, compounds that support the liver in the detoxification process. Additionally, beet fiber helps move toxins out of the body. Whether roasted, boiled, or grated into a salad, beets can add a sweet touch to your liver-loving menu. Number 7. Green tea goodness. Swap your regular cup of joe for a soothing mug of green tea. Packed with antioxidants known as catechins, green tea promotes liver health by enhancing its detoxification processes. The gentle caffeine content in green tea provides a milder energy boost compared to coffee, making it a liver-friendly choice. Incorporating these 7 liver-loving foods into your diet can contribute to a healthier, happier liver. Remember, balance is key, so enjoy a diverse range of nutrient-packed foods to support your liver in its crucial role of keeping your body detoxified and thriving. Cheers to a cleaner, happier liver.